Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to exit Talkback mode on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, Talkback mode is designed to assist users with visual impairments by providing spoken feedback and navigation. However, if enabled accidentally, it can be challenging for users who don't need it to interact with their device. So let's go to the tutorial. Alright, to exit Talkback mode, start by swapping your device screen with 2 fingers and entering your screen lock code. Okay, next, tap on the settings option and double tap to open it. Okay, so now you can scroll through the screen using 2 fingers. Then tap on accessibility, so double tap to open it. From there, tap on the Talkback option and double tap to open it. And now switch off the Talkback mode. Click on Turn Off and double click it. So your device Talkback mode is now successfully switched off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to exit Talkback mode on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.